Welcome to Tea Time. Did you know that both our bodies and our water supplies are filled with these tiny plastic particles called microplastics? And did you also know that there are two botanicals that are showing a lot of promise in trapping them and what that could potentially mean for you? Let's talk about them. The first one is fenugreek. There was a recent lab study that found that extracts from fenugreek seeds, also known as okra, were able to remove up to 90% of microplastics from water samples. For example, 1 gram of fenugreek derived powder in a liter removed 93% of microplastics in the water in less than an hour. Researchers believe that the natural sugars in that plant extract actually binds the microplastic particles, clump them together, and make them settle out. Second one is tamarind. This is an amazing tangy fruit that if you're from the Caribbean or from Latin America, you know very, very well. In Spanish, it's called tamarindo. And a lot of reports are now showing that both the tamarind seeds and the pulp extract also bind with microplastics, helping them remove them from the water. And it's been suggested that it can do the same for the human body. So here's why this is relevant to you, especially if you are working to restore gut and hormonal balance. Microplastics are being found in food, in water, in air, even in human tissues. These particles may contribute to inflammation, they will disrupt your microbiome, and by extension, they will affect your hormonal health. So if these two plant extracts can actually help bind and remove these particles, or reduce their uptake, when in theory it can support it in water, and we are mostly water, can it actually help us too? The truth is that none of this has been done in human studies. Everything has been done related to water sources. So while the idea is fascinating and super promising, it's too early to make absolute health claims. I will always talk to my healthcare provider before using any herbs or supplements for detox or for any kind of removal of substances that don't belong in your body. But this is really exciting because it could be a game changer. Follow, like, and share for more amazing health tips.